why a mentorship program is a game changing for UPSC journey. See, this exam is about endurance and not about intelligence. I'm telling you from my past experiences that every aspirant starts their journey with a lot of enthusiasm. But then that enthusiasm loses its direction and it turns into some months and then years. Now, at this junction, mentorship program is not only providing you guidance, but would play a definite role, a game-changing role, helping you to get your desired aspirations. See, this exam is all about self-study. You may join some coaching, you may join some guidance program, it's okay. But eventually, how you are consistent. And as I have said, that it is all about self-study. You would face a lot of lonely days. You would see that if you have a mentor in your life, you would come from isolation to some directional approach. You'll get a direction in your journey. As I have said that while you all are preparing for this exam, you will have lot of self-doubts. Some days you would see that you are going to get rank 1 and some days you think that whether this program or this journey which you have thought of is worth of giving up so many years, jobs, etc., etc. Now here your mentor would act as an emotional anchor. They would not only motivate you, they would tell you that what are your positive traits and where you are lacking. It will help you to put back on the track. Okay? So you would see that this mentorship program is a very strong psychologically, it would help you. So it's a very strong psychological edge. Then it will also train you and would help you to have smart work ethics. Okay, you have to know that you do have to study for good amount of hours. So some students are taking their coaching, right, their classes, so 6 hours they are devoting to the coaching, and if they are taking optional, so definitely it is going to be 6 hours. But then what? After going out of the classes, what now you have to do? You just do not have to grab the knowledge, you have to absorb it as well. And that requires skills. Okay, that requires skills, as I have said. And there you would understand the role of mentors. They would plan your day, that how many hours you need to study, how you have to make the combination of your subject. Okay, so that is going to get from mentors, right? So I would say that mentorship program, and specifically my mentorship program, which is there in Plutus IS under my headship, you would see that I go beyond syllabus. For me, the most important factor is to inculcate officers like personalities even before you become officers. I hope you people are understanding the importance of guidance and mentors in UPSC journey. Thank you.